So, you finally saved up your first $1,000 to invest. Congratulations. You might be wondering how to get started, and that's where I come in. Let me tell you about my friend Jasmine. Jasmine was in the same boat as you. She had $1,000 to invest but wasn't sure where to begin. Following these steps, Jasmine is now a successful investor with a growing portfolio. Number 1. Determine your investment goals. Before you start investing, decide what you want to achieve with your money. Are you saving for a down payment on a house or planning for retirement? Your goals will determine where you should invest your money. Number 2. Invest in index fund. Research has shown that index funds outperform most actively managed funds over the long term. These funds are low cost and provide diversification across different companies and sectors. Number 3. Use a robo-advisor. If you are not comfortable choosing your own investment, consider using a robo-advisor. These online services use algorithms to create and manage your investment portfolio. Number 4. Keep an eye on fees. High fees can eat away at your investment return over time. Look for low-cost options when choosing investment and brokerage accounts. Number 5. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get caught up in the short-term market fluctuation and stay focused on your goals. So, there you have it. 5 easy steps to help you invest your first 1,000. And if Jasmine can do it, so can you.